being the old Harrison Wells. As an Eobard Thawne, you want him to teach you how to run faster. Oh, that's rich.
How are you going to do that?
By running back to a time last year.
And what about the other you, the one from that other timeline?
I'll knock him out with something. I mean, it's not like he'll see me come in, and then I'll have Wells teach me.
Barry, that's crazy.
Nothing I've read is pointing me towards a solution, and if there's anybody that's figured out the key to getting faster without V9, it's him. What do you guys think?
Your plan is asinine.
Did you find Jesse?
Does it look like I found Jesse? How many times have you traveled through time?
A few.
You have any idea how many things you could screw up?
All I need is one conversation with Dr. Wells.
He's not Wells.
Thawne.
I'm Wells. This man has been studying you for 15 years. For 15 years. And you don't think he's gonna know who you are?
Barry's pretty good at impersonating himself. You should have seen him over there in Earth 2. I was like, somebody get this man an Oscar.
He will know, Alan. He will know.
All right, then what am I supposed to do? I mean, how am I supposed to stop Zoom? Do you know the answer to this equation?
If Thawne figures out that it's you, the timeline will be altered. People can die. Others could live, and no one will know who or what will be affected. But I promise you, when you come back, things will be different. And only you will know what those differences are.
Well, if that's what I have to do to stop Zoom, then so be it. Because if I don't, and Zoom gets my speed before I learn how to stop him, everybody I care about, everybody in this whole city, their world will never be the same anyway.
Do you really think you can do this?
Yeah, I do. When I went back last year and I saw my mom die, it didn't affect the timeline.
Yeah, but you haven't really time traveled on purpose like this before.
I have to do this, you guys.
Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, you're gonna go back to the time when Wells was distracted by the return of the major jackass, Hartley Rathaway. This is the first time we found out Wells knew the accelerator might explode, and we were all angry with him. So anything that might seem odd about your behavior, Wells should attribute to that. Also, remember, do not underestimate Hartley. He almost killed you.
This is a trank dart that should knock old you out for about 6 hours, which lines up perfectly for when you're going back because not much was happening until Hartley attacked the Cleveland Dam that night. So that should give you time to learn what you need and return.
One more thing, you cannot tell us the truth about Wells, no matter what. You must keep the timeline intact.
It's gonna be hard to course correct if anything gets altered, so get what you need and come back, preferably to this moment, this exact time you're leaving, or else you might set off some kind of 12 Monkeys time loop you'll never get out of. No pressure. Yeah, cool. So, we'll see you in like 2 seconds. Time travel's so weird.
Godspeed, Barry.
I'll be fine. What could go wrong? Too early.
You know my name. I know some names too.
This is not a good start.